So in this video, I will be teaching you how you can use CapCut on your phone to edit video as a professional. So we head straight to CapCut. We open CapCut on our phone. So for people who are not familiar with CapCut before, so what you need to do is to click on new project. So I created a video to teach us how to go about it. So we'll be using this first video, which is 50 minutes. So we click on add. We click on add. So it adds like this. So let's listen to this particular video.
If you have been thinking,
so this particular video, I want to put a caption to this particular video. And what I would do is I will click on text if I want to add auto caption. So maybe probably I want all what I'm saying, I want them to be said, to be written in a nutshell. So all we do is we click on auto captions. So we click on start. We click on identify invalid clips. We click on it. We make sure it is in English, and we select an animation. Now we click on start. Sorry, I offed my network. So let's just on the network and click on auto caption and click on start. So we'll wait for it. Wait for it to load. And once it loads, you will see it will automatically write, subtitle everything we are saying in English. It will say it in English. A lot of people have been looking for what could actually help them solve this kind of problem, but I'm here to help you in the whole explanation. So pardon the network is making it take longer than usual, right? So it's making it take longer than usual. Normally, I think it is because the video is long, so that is why it is taking time to generate the caption. You can see. So once we play it, so
if you have been thinking of
because I am currently recording, so you cannot listen to my audio at the same time. So you can see that it has been subtitled. You can see, you can see it's writing it
how you can
according to what they call it, according to what I am saying. So that is for how to add caption. So let's say, for instance, along the line you have a particular part you don't like in your video. Maybe you want to cut away, so you can just go to that particular part, click on the video, you click on split below here. So once you click on split, maybe it is between a few seconds, just do it like this, and you click split again. So once you click on split, it breaks videos into different segments, like into three different I really don't know how to use the English, but it will break the video in a nutshell. So we can easily click on what we took out, you can see, and I will click on delete, so you can see. So let's say, for instance, now we have two videos which we want to apply a transition so that when a particular video is sliding into another video, it won't look terrible. So let's take, for instance, this one. We just cut a video and we want to see how it will come in. You can see it jumped. So maybe probably want to add a transition. We just click on the white icon, that white shape on that video. Click on it. So once you click on it, many transitions will come out. You look for any transition that fits your own kind of transition. So let me just use old film. I love old film a lot. You can see. So let's play back and see the transition. You can see the transition. So basically that is how it works. So what else again? Okay, let's take for instance, we are not cool with the color and want to do a little bit of color grading. What we do is we click on the image and we go to filter. We select a default color. I really love movies grading, so I'm just going to choose this. Let's say, for instance, you can choose anyone that you prefer depending on your preference. You can see it's changing the color. You can see. So but me as a person, let me just use green orange. You can see. So me as a person, I love to select colors from
If you have
the
been
movie
thinking of a
saturation.
way to create a very strong online for your
You can
business,
see. So
very strong
that is for
online
that.
for your
What else? What else? Okay, so let's say for instance, you want to keep the same color grading to all your videos. All what you do is you click on apply to all, and you click like this. So it means all the video will change to the color.
a very strong online for your business.
You can see
then
there is
this
no
video
much
is for
difference.
you. Because
So
today in this
if you really want to get more detail on how to use CapCut, you can just take your time to do this. But basically, this is what CapCut do. It helps you join videos together, create videos professionally, and the rest. Thank you for your time. If you find this video very helpful, endeavor to click on the red subscribe button below this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We will be dropping a more detailed video in our next video, where we'll be teaching you an in-depth training on how to use CapCut on your phone. So before you go, the last thing that we'll do is we'll export this. We'll click on the icon at the top right of the page, and we export it. So once it is done exporting, then we can use it anywhere, maybe on our YouTube, on any of our social media platform, or for adverts, regardless whatever you want to use it for. Then it is ripe to go. Have I made myself clear? So let's wait for it to export and see how it looks. So we just play. It's done exporting.
you have been thinking
So
of
you
a
can
way
see.
to create a very strong
So that is
online
it for that. Thank you for your time, and bye bye.